questions on this? Right.
So every deity we see, the description is there that Krishna have the flute,
Right.
Krishna have the leg bend.
Right.
But you see, Prabhu, all the deities having the different faces.
Yeah.
All the deities have different sizes.
Correct.
All the deities have. So when we see a personality, means we recognize someone. Like if I recognize you, the picture come in my mind. Oh, MPP is like this. But when we see Krishna in different deities, then different faces, different sizes, different. So in this way, how we conceive that the personality having like this?
That is why God person is different from Jiva person. Just like, you have same body, but you cannot take different dresses. Today you will put a red jacket, tomorrow you will put a black jacket. Different dresses you can take. So you look little different, isn't it? Or the same face, you grow beard, you can have hair, you look little different, isn't it? You see, each of these deities, Krishna Chandra likes to be Krishna Chandra. Don't call me Vrindavan Chandra. You go to Vrindavan and call me Vrindavan Chandra. Because I am here Leela as Krishna Chandra. And Radharani of Bangalore, Radharani is Bangalore. Allow me to be variety. I want to be variety. I want to have different faces. I want to look differently. I want to glance differently. This is the opulence of God. Radha Madhava is different. Radha Vrindavan Chandra is different. Rasa is different. Capacity of Krishna. Krishna becomes local. We all want to go to God. God has a tendency to ulta tendencies. God has a tendency to become limited for rasa. For rasa with his devotees, he wants to become very specific. He wants to become limited. So much so that the deities, they expect you to feed them. If you don't feed, he'll be hungry. You cannot say he is Supreme Personality of Godhead. How can he be hungry? Suddenly you cannot bring philosophy. Today I will not offer. Really, he'll give you a slap. There's so many leelas are there of the deities. They'll take the devotee to task. You have not fed me. You have not protected me. The Lord is a protector of everybody. But when he takes a particular leela as a deity, he'll say, now it's your responsibility to protect me. Don't leave the doors open. Some thieves will come and take me and go. Isn't it? The Lord likes to, just like, we are always feeling limited. When we see unlimited, we are excited. Now, Krishna is always unlimited. He likes to be limited and live with us and all that. He lives with the devotees. He wants to live with the devotees. So he takes different forms. He enjoys every tiny detail. Oh, he's the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Oh, he will enjoy this, the way we are doing festival and all. No. Everything he enjoys. Brahmotsa, every alankara, everything, every festival, every ride, every pallaki, every kirtan, everything is enjoying. Who is the supreme enjoyer here? Radha Krishna Chandra. Our deities are the supreme enjoyers of everything here, actual enjoyers of everything here. Who is in Vrindavan? Radha Vrindavan Chandra. Advaitam Achyutam Anadim Ananta Rupam. Ananta Rupam he can have, is it not? Why does he have Ananta Rupam? Tattva is one. It is one personality. some discussion, I learnt this. That here you are in a particular rasa in the main temple hall. That is Goloka rasa, Sankirtana rasa. Now, Srinivasa or Narsimha is in the Vaikuntha rasa, or they are in the rasa of reverence. So what happens in the same temple, same hall when you have, then there is a mixing of rasas. So therefore we shifted them down. Advaitam Achyutam Anadi Ananta Rupam. The Lord has got different forms. Each form is characterized by his particular rasa. And you should allow Lord to enjoy in his specific rasas. It's the same Lord. So that is how, varieties of forms of the Lord. See, we have to identify the personality by the individuality, by the tattva. The one person, that is Govindam Adipurusha. He can have many forms. In fact, if you don't specifically identify by the look of the deities, you are really not, the deities are not happy with you. You are not recognizing, Radharani will say, you are not recognizing the way I look. I look different. I am a very specific look I have. Radharani of Bangalore has got a very specific look. Radharani of Vrindavan has a very specific look. Isn't it? Radharani's opulence. Here I am like this, there I am like this, there I am like this, there I am like that. So when you are here, you have to look at them as they are. Everything, the way they look is absolute. It's absolute form of the Lord, because Lord has taken that form. When you are in Vrindavan, that is the absolute form of the Lord. If Lord is acting in that particular specific way, then it is absolute, no? So many absolute forms are there of the Lord in his incarnations. So you recognize this reality. You go to different temples, then you see the Lord with that particular specific details. And then it strikes you. Oh, Radharani here looks different. She looks different. She looks different. All not one. Though it is, she is same. Was that your question? Huh?
Yes, bro.
Okay.